A very good morning, dear students. I'm Pretima Sharma, your science teacher. In today's second session of the second chapter, Components of Food, we shall start with the third category of nutrients, proteins, the body-building food. Proteins are responsible for the growth of our body. They are also termed as building blocks of our body. They are so called because they help in production of the cells which help in growth and repair of the worn out tissues. The main sources of proteins are milk, eggs, meat, fish, beans, peas, gram, soybean and lentils. Milk is not only a good source of protein, but it also makes our bones and teeth strong as it contains a lot of calcium. You will be amazed to know that animal protein, that is the protein which is present in milk, is responsible for the production of red blood cells in our blood. Therefore, we must drink a lot of milk and the milk products. So, the functions of proteins can be written as the first one, proteins help in the proper growth and development of our body. Second, they are the important constituent of our hair, nails, skin and muscles. Proteins form hemoglobin. That is what I just now said, red blood cells, right? The red pigment in blood which carries oxygen and carbon dioxide. Proteins help to repair injured body parts and the worn out tissues. Now we need to have the activity to test the presence of proteins in a foodstuff. In this activity, we'll be taking a little egg white in a test tube. Now we add a few drops of Millen's reagent. That's a kind of chemical which is generally present in the chemistry lab. Okay, we put it in the test tube, both the things, and then we boil it. The egg white which we had it in the test tube will turn semi-solid and the color will also change. It will change to pink color. This shows that protein is present in egg white. Now we come down to the fourth category of nutrients, which are vitamins, which are also termed as the protective food. Vitamins are the essential substances required by our body, but it is required in minute quantities, that is in small quantities. These do not produce energy, but are essential for our good health, right? Any vitamin, if it is less, it can cause a problem in our body. Vitamins protect us from various diseases. And the main sources of vitamins are milk, egg, fish, fruits, sprouts, pulses, vegetables, etc. Vitamins are of different kinds. You must have heard many a times vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, D, E, K, so many, right? So, on the basis of the solubility of vitamins, they are divided into two groups. Okay, first one is the fat soluble and the second one is water soluble. The fat soluble vitamins are A, D, E and K, whereas water soluble vitamins are vitamin B and vitamin C. Only two are there in water soluble, whereas in fat soluble we have 4 vitamins, that is vitamin A, D, E and K. Now what do you understand by fat soluble vitamins? Fat soluble vitamins are absorbed in the body fat and used when required. Okay, whereas water soluble vitamin means these cannot be absorbed in the body. Okay, but when they are in excess amount in our body, they are removed through our urine. Now, what are the main functions of vitamins? Vitamin A is required for healthy skin, for healthy eyes and for the growth. Vitamin B, complex, because we have vitamin B1, vitamin B2, we have vitamin B12. All these vitamins together, we can call them B complex. It is required to release energy from food and many more functions. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is required for healthy gums, teeth, bones, to give us immunity to fight against diseases. Vitamin D, it is required to absorb calcium for good bones and health. Whereas vitamin K is required for clotting of blood. Whenever you get hurt, it starts bleeding sometimes, right? And after some time, if you don't even put anything, automatically the blood stops coming out, oozing out, right? That is blood clotting. So it is because of vitamin K where our body has the capacity to clot the blood. Vitamins cannot be synthesized by human body except one vitamin, that is vitamin D, which is synthesized in our body, right? And it is synthesized when we go in the sunlight. When we are exposed to sunlight, at that time it gets synthesized, means automatically made in our body. Now we have a few, for all the types of vitamins, we don't have so many tests, but generally let us have it for vitamin C. Okay, so a test to check whether a particular food sample has vitamin C in it or not. Okay, so what we do is we take a piece of citrus fruit. Citrus fruit can be any citrus fruit. It can be lemon, it can be orange. Okay, and then to that we add a bit of iodine solution. You will observe, after some time, you will observe that the color of the fruit which you have used, that is the lemon or the orange, each gets converted to light brown. That shows that the particular given food sample has vitamin C in it. So that's all in this session, dear students. Stay inside and stay blessed. Thank you.